Hi everyone, so we're gonna make a bhindi and some curry today. So what I did is I sliced the bhindi and then I also sliced the onions and the tomato into the fine slices. We can take a pan or a pressure cooker and put some oil. I used the mustard oil because we need to fry the bhindi. And then I was using my one hand, and you can put the bhindi in a hot oil and then give it a stir for some time. So as you can see, as I'm stirring it continuously, keep it moving, and the time will come when you feel that they become more soft or the size become reduced. Now that's the time that I want to bring it back on the plate. That means they are fried as I want them to be. So I'm bringing them out, and then I'll take a new oil in the same pressure cooker or the pan, because now we're going to use cumin seeds for some time. And then I put the onions inside, and then also the ginger garlic paste, and then give it a stir for some time. And after adding the onions, I also suggest to add some salt, because that helps to kind of turn them into a different color faster, kind of accelerates the whole process. So as you can see, I'm adding the salt after adding cumin seeds and the ginger garlic paste. Then I added the turmeric powder. And then I also added some of the other masalas like the ginger powder. I also added some cumin powder. And I think I also added the garlic powder probably. Yeah, so add those all masalas, turmeric, ginger powder, cumin powder, garlic, and then give it a stir for some time. Then the other thing what we need to do is we also need to add the mirchi. So I'll add that. But if you add a mirchi, I think you're gonna you have to do one more thing, is you have to, once we stir it, you have to put a splash of the water on this so that it kind of cooks a little bit basically. So that's what I did after putting the red mirchi. Then I added few tomato slices and then give it a little bit of stir again. And then I add a little bit of water so that masalas can mix well with the tomato and the rest of the things. So as you can see, I'm trying to mash the tomatoes as they become soft, and with a little bit of cooking, they will become soft with the time. And when they become soft, then I will add the fried bhindi inside it. And then what I'll do is I'll mix them very well, and you'll see that upcoming. And after mixing them very well, I'll keep on cooking it for some time, maybe 5-6 minutes more. And as you can see that I'm trying to mix them with the rest of the tomatoes, onions, and the masalas that we added. Now with this much of, like, with another 5-6 minutes of cooking, we can have it with the bread, like maybe a butter naan or the normal naan. That's pretty much. But I'm going to have it with the rice, so I want to make it a little bit of curryish. So I added some water, and yeah, then cooked it again for some time, covered it with a lid, maybe another 5-6 minutes. And you can see kind of it has some curry, so that I can have it with my rice. That's it.